Welcome back to the Gabler Studios. We're continuing to do the Spider-Man minifigs. So go ahead, Soph.
Okay. I'm just gonna grab one. Okay. Why is it not opening? You got a wolf. It's another one.
Got the wolf? Cool.
First try. First try, kind of nervous. Okay.
The werewolf Spider-Man.
Okay. Making sure there's nothing else. Look. Yeah. Okay, how am I gonna fit? Okay. It's hard to. So there we go.
You can just put them right there.
Right there.
So we only need 2 more for the collection. Okay.
Okay. Second one. Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay. Is the boxes like getting stronger or something? I literally feel the pressure.
Maybe they added extra glue. Oh, another one of the prowlers.
I might need them.
Okay.
Well, at least I'll use them for something.
It'd be like a 3rd prowler.
Roblox headless.
Haha.
Yeah. Look. Bro looks like a girl.
Yeah.
Oh.
Instead I didn't have open another one.
Oops. Twisted his head, I bet.
Haha.
Okay. Okay, I took both of them at the same time. I'm just gonna put them. Hi. There's a cat back.
Huh?
No, Candy, if you want
The kitty? That's the second one.
Kitty.
So we got 2 out of the 3 we need.
Yum, 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 yum.
The next one we need will be a
Good.
horse.
Second. Imagine how we get a horse. We just collected a whole collection already.
Yep, we would have the entire collection if we get the horse next. Web Stinger. Slinger.
Okay, I don't know. Let me check. Web slinger.
Yeah, we can put the cat right back here with.
Right there.
Yep.
Okay, now last one. Hopes on you. I kind of feel a horse though, but I don't think it is though. I feel like it has to be with less. Is that Gwen? What
Gwen?
is this?
Cool. I wanted another Gwen anyway for her pink hair.
Yeah, for Pinky.
And even Sophie, Maddie might want it too.
Yeah.
Then take the face.
Okay, just take the face now.
Nah. But okay.
She don't have that face no more. I know.
We only need 1 more now, and that's the spider sling. Haha.
No, it just went like, peace out, I'm rolling.
All rolling.
The heyday. She just took her wig off. Wait, make this as Maddie's Christmas gift.
I could.
Okay, there we go. Where do I put this one?
You put it in the box for now. We'll put it with the extra supply stuff.
Now, which box is it?
Yep. So,
Oh, this one.
we didn't do too bad.
Oh,
We are only down 1 character now.
which is
We'll have the
little
entire
horsey.
collection. And it's only that one with the
Web slinger.
slinger. So, we'll give it another try later. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to
Like and subscribe.